Good morning, everyone. Right now I'm in Berlin. As usual, I drink coffee in the morning. This very delicious espresso. But I came here not to drink delicious coffee. I came here to show you really unique tattoo shop. If you follow me for a little bit, you definitely know how I love coffee. Every morning I start with a cup of delicious espresso or cappuccino. I also drink coffee with milk. It's okay for me. You know, I'm not the person who say it has to be only espresso or pour over. No, I drink cappuccino as well. For me, I don't know a lot about coffee, but for me it's definitely the kind of like the time when I can drink what I like to drink and when I can spend a little bit time just with myself, kind of like a me time. I wake up, I switch on the machine, the coffee machine, go to walk my dog, back and make a cup of delicious espresso or cappuccino. Really love it. Right now I am in a coffee shop what calls Zaharius, where you can find espresso, pour over, cappuccino, whatever, and they use only kind of like specialty beans, local roasted or delivered from somewhere. For example, this espresso made on beans from Austria. It's very delicious, natural roasted way, and tastes kind of like a black chocolate with, I guess, like a black pepper or something like that. It's really delicious. But I highly recommend you, before to start drink coffee in the morning, drink 1 cup of water. Just fill your stomach with at least something and then drink coffee. And doesn't matter if you drink coffee in the morning or tea, it's up to you. The most important is spend 15-20 minutes in the morning with kind of like yourself, kind of like me time, you know, where you can sit, relax, wake up, think about something, enjoy the morning, and then start your day. Every time when I'm in Europe or maybe in New York, I try to find an apartment or hotel around like 20 minutes from the shop. Not 20 minutes walk or 20 minutes by Uber, 20 minutes by bicycle. I I really love and miss it when I can just rent the bicycle and ride to the shop. Right now I'm at their Grimm tattoo shop in Berlin. I'm second time here, I didn't know about that, but this is probably the biggest tattoo shop in the full Europe and probably in the full world. The size of this shop is 1,000 square meters. So it's about like 11,000 of square foot. So it's really huge space. They opened it in 2017 and today is 2025. I didn't know about this shop. Friends of mine from Hamburg, they highly recommend to visit the shop because it's huge, because it's unique, and because this shop is full of legends, of really great artists, and a lot of pure legends comes here to guest spot every month. Highly recommend you to step by if you are anytime in Berlin. This shop is really unique. What is very interesting, like I already said, here located around like 25 resident tattoo artists. Just to give you an example, in every shop where I used to work, it was around like 5, 6, 7 resident tattoo artists plus 1-2 guest spots maybe. When I used to work in Love Machine in New York, it was huge tattoo shop, but we had only around like 8 resident tattoo artists, and when every tattoo artist working the same day with all clients, you feel that the shop is pretty busy with a lot of people, noise, and you don't feel comfortable. Here, when 5 or 6 tattoo artists working the same day, it feels like shop is empty, like it's no one here. And to fill this shop kind of like a busy. It's supposed to be around like 20-25 tattoo artists has to work in the same time with clients and maybe friends of clients, you know, who comes with them in the same day. So the shop is huge, but because this shop has a separate rooms and very smart kind of like separate spaces, you know, you don't feel that the shop is really like busy. Here's the reception. You can see it's cozy spot with a lot of plants, green. Looks pretty natural, a lot of art on the wall. Also, if you want to grab some stickers, feel free. And if you want to bring something from the shop, they produce oven merch, which is really cool. Hoodies, t-shirts, you definitely can find something for yourself. Here's the space for manager, the reception table with a lot of art on the wall with this nice creepy wolf, and you can see this wolf right here. So here is the photo room where you can take a picture, videos, you have professional light, everything. But also in this room you can print everything what you need for your work, any stencil, references, or if you want to draw, feel free, you also can draw here. Here we're coming in first room. The room is beautiful, also pretty stylish, with some couches actually. Here's a few of them, plants, art on the wall. And you can see here the room for probably like 6 artists or 5. Let's go to another one. And oh, I forgot to say, also in that room and behind this door sitting the manager who run the social media. So back to reception, coming through, and we come to another room. As you can see, every room stylized by artist who works here. In every room you have greens, what brings you a little bit more cozy atmosphere. Some art on the wall, and here also another workspace. For, I also guess, kind of like 4-5 tattoo artists more. When we go through the reception, we can see full-size bar. There is another workroom, and tattoo artist still working there. Full-size bar. Here's a kind of like a coffee station where you can do coffee, tea, everything what you want. Also, art, original. Here's another room on the top, right here. Here's a kind of like a kitchen or dinery spot or something like that. You can eat here and do not disturb someone. If you need plates, everything what you need, you can find here. Another room. I don't know how can I switch on the light, but you can see everything more or less. And this room is also probably for like 6 tattoo artists maybe, or something like that. It's difficult to say. And when we go to another room, here is one more room on the right side. On the left side there is a room for one more manager. And let me show you, here's another room with beautiful art on the wall, and here one more, and here one more, and here 2 more spots. Actually, you can see every room is pretty cozy, every room stylized by artists, and every room has a lot of art on the wall, framed art as well. I don't know if I showed you everything. Like I said, I'm here only 2nd time, and when I back here, I also needed around like maybe a day to figure out and remember everything what they have here in the shop. So the shop is definitely huge, and what is really cool, the shop is full of really high standard tattoo artists, and a lot of legends comes here every month. This month they have around like, I guess probably like 15 guest artists, and I can say some of them I've been following for maybe like 10 years because they're really great. If you're interested in kind of like anime, black work, new tribal, lettering, you can find them here for sure. Here's a lot of great artists, and this shop actually is pretty artistic friendly. I mean, they have like a really good conditions. They give you more or less the same. You can get here, you can find here actually more or less the same equipment what you can find in every shop. It's not a problem, but all deals are pretty kind of like a friendly. I don't know about like when you're gonna see this video, and I don't know what deal they're gonna give you in that moment, you know, but for today they're pretty affordable. I did a lot of guest spots and I know how it works, and here everything is pretty well. And also downstairs they have a company who help to kind of like print out merch. So if you decide to produce your own merch, you also can discuss everything here, because company who prints t-shirts, hoodies, sweatpants, the company is downstairs, 1 or 2 floors downstairs, and you can find everything. It's pretty easy. Shop is definitely unique. Shop is definitely huge, very interesting. Artist is really sick here, so I highly recommend you to step by, not for guest spot only, even if you just visit the Berlin, just step by this shop maybe for 1 hour just to check out and talk to artists a little bit.